Now there's a question about what is a reverse abdominoplasty, and that's for patients who have a nice lower tummy, but because of aging or sun damage or skin changes, they have really loose upper abdominal skin. Now, for a patient who gets that, often they're very ideal weight patients, but they just have loose skin because they've gotten older. That involves an incision that either goes in the fold under the breast, or it crosses over in the sternal bone as a big back and forth. Basically, think of it going like this, but under the breast fold. The tummy tuck goes super low at the suprapubic region. The reverse abdominoplasty takes the upper skin and removes it, and I'm able to sew that skin up to the fold. It's a very imperceptible scar, and it really lifts the abdomen up the hill and makes it super sweet when you look in the mirror. If you want to test whether you're a candidate for an upper tummy tuck or reverse abdominoplasty, tonight when you're getting ready for bed, just take your upper skin of your tummy and pull it up to your breast fold and say, "Whoa, that looks awesome." If it does, give me a call and we'll talk about it. The recovery is a lot less recovery than for a tummy tuck that involves muscle plication, which means putting your muscles back together.